Center Zaslin for the helicopter gunship Mi-28NM will allow helicopters to fire mini drones and suicide drones from the missile launch tubes, a source in the Defense Industrial Complex told TASS. Zaslin's Module B8V10UV is different from the current ones in several respects. The number of missile tubes can be adjusted for each specific task. Also, it boasts weapons programming instruments. Built-in instruments transmit information from the helicopter's weapons control system to the payload, be it controlled detonation missiles, guided missiles, mini-drones, or suicide drones. For instance, it can charge the drone's battery, transmit the activation command, and turn the drone on to send it on a pre-programmed mission, the source said. Originally, the new unguided aviation missile cluster was designed for the helicopter Mi-28NM, but it will be usable on all of Russia's combat helicopters equipped with a weapons control system, such as Mi-28, Ka-52, and attack configurations of the Mi-8. Roughly speaking, one flash drive is capable of reprogramming the weapons control systems for using not only ordinary unguided aviation missiles, but also smart weapons,